with another one.
All right, guys, so this right here is my BMW X5 E70, and what we have is a lifter tick noise. We're going to go on the inside and let you see what it sounds like. All right, let's go ahead and put the key in, Nation. You can hear that now, that ticking noise. Let's go to the engine bay so that we can hear it. All right, so you can hear that lifter tick noise, and on this video what I'm going to do is show you how to get rid of that. The car's been sitting for about a month, so all of the oil has drained from the lifters, and what we're going to do is circulate that oil back around again. All right, so we're back in the car, and what you want to do is you want to rev the car to about 3,000 for your RPMs, right here to the 3. We're going to rev it up for 2 minutes, and that should make it go away. Basically what you're doing is you're moving the oil around in the engine, and it's lubricating the lifters again, because right now the lifters are dry and from it sitting so long, and we're just going to go with it and see if it works. All right, let's go. All right, and that right there is 2 minutes. All right, we're gonna let it go down. All right, guys, so let's check it. Open the hood, and there you go. No more ticking. So all we had to do is lube the lifters up. Took about 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes and a half. Just depends on how long the car's been sitting, and that's it. Rev it to 3,000 RPMs. No more ticking. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.